Hi, I'm Dave Dunwoody, technical and after-sales specialist at Kawasaki Engines, and today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about spark plugs, from why they're so important to how to maintain them properly. Spark plugs are at the heart of the combustion process. They ignite the air-fuel mixture that powers your engine, withstanding high levels of pressure and heat to deliver a reliable spark, keeping combustion efficient and consistent. If the spark plug's not functioning correctly, your engine performance suffers, and in the worst case scenario, misfires or pre-ignition can cause significant damage from burnt valves to holes in the piston. Want to avoid these issues? Prevent this by performing regular checks, choosing genuine parts, and following our official maintenance guidance. First, let's see how we perform checks. Generally, you should check your spark plugs and adjust the gap every 100 hours for a 4-stroke engine and every 50 hours for a 2-stroke engine. But this is engine specific, so you should always check your owner's manual to check the correct intervals. If you're working in more demanding conditions, you'll need to increase the frequency of your checks. To remove a spark plug for inspection, a 6-point deep socket in conjunction with the correct ratchet is recommended. Typically 21mm for a 4-stroke engine and 19mm for a 2-stroke engine. Now, here's what you need to know about maintenance. Even experienced pros can make mistakes. Not sticking to the recommended intervals for checks is a frequent one, but setting an incorrect gap, over-tightening during refitting, or using the wrong type of spark plug are all common mistakes that can compromise your engine's performance and reliability. When you go to inspect or replace your spark plug, make sure you check and adjust the gap. For a 4-stroke engine, 0.7 to 0.8mm. For a 2-stroke engine, set to 0.6 to 0.7mm. When tightening the spark plug, do so carefully. 22 Nm for a 4-stroke and 14 Nm for a 2-stroke. Never over tighten, as this can strip the threads of the spark plug and could lead to serious engine damage. It may be small, but you should never overlook the importance of the spark plug. Keeping your engine working at its best and cutting downtime is critical for professional landscapers. Keep spare spark plugs on hand and carry basic diagnostic tools like a spark tester to help you identify any issue faster when on site. Next, learn the difference between genuine and aftermarket spark plugs. Some may be tempted to use an aftermarket alternative to a Kawasaki genuine part, purchasing a mass-produced universal will-fit spark plug. Unfortunately, this is taking a big risk. Our engines are designed and tested using specific spark plugs which are carefully selected based on the engine's design, fuel and air mixture, operating temperatures and performance requirements. Aftermarket spark plugs may differ in heat range, material composition or overall performance characteristics, impacting your engine's power output and efficiency, and in serious cases causing damage and internal component failure. Genuine Kawasaki parts are fully compatible and tend to offer better durability. They can maintain a high level of performance over a longer service life, even in challenging working conditions, helping to deliver consistent ignition, efficient combustion and reliability. Genuine parts can help reduce the need for more frequent replacements, making them a more economical choice in the long term, although it's worth remembering that parts may need replacing more often than the owner's manual specifies, depending on your working environment. And on that note, here's some final tips. Most importantly, stick religiously to your Kawasaki maintenance chart. Inspect your spark plugs regularly and replace in a timely fashion. You'll keep your engine firing on all cylinders and your business moving. Interested in finding out what a spark plug's appearance can tell you about the overall health of your engine? I run through how you can learn to read a spark plug in the full article on our website. And if you'd like a quick step-by-step guide to regapping, check out our YouTube shorts.